Bourbon and Gun said, ho, 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 Knob Creek 21. What a great blessing this is to try Knob Creek 21. I've been looking forward to this. Thank you to Brian Neely for getting this for me. Yeah, the real deal, Knob Creek 21. MSRP $250. Okay, so let's see if it's worth $250. Knob Creek 21. So check out the nifty box here. So you dip that, you pull that little chest piece out, and the bottle comes out of the case. Isn't that cool? Knob Creek 21, how about that? Oh, goodness, and it smells good. Let's give it a little swish here. I like that pretty dark brown, little amber. First sip of the day, by the way. Cheers, guys. Oh, you definitely get that toasted oak, vanilla, caramel. It is 75% corn, 13% rye, 12% malted barley, okay? And it is a chill filtered product. Going in. Oh, wow, what a very creamy mouthfeel. Oh, you get the heavy oak, the cinnamon, the vanilla, but with a nice rye finish. A little bit oaky and leather. You definitely, oh, wow, that is warming. And it was a cold day here. That is very, very warming. Oh, what a thrill it is to have a 21-year bourbon. So, what a nice finish. Nice oaky with those tannic notes. So, Knob Creek 21. Is it worth $250 for the MSRP? Yes, that's a bargain for a 21-year product. Is it worth those crazy secondary prices, the $300 to $400 starting? I would say no. Stick with the Knob Creek 12 for that. But this was awesome. Bourbon tastes like a warm summer day.